Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a quick and easy brow tutorial. And before we get into it don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Subscribe, and let's go into it. So what we're going to be using today is we're just going to be using about five things to do my brows, or to do our brows. Just 5 things to do our brows. A concealer, your shade of concealer. That's like 2 shades from your foundation shade. So your shade of concealer, this is the Zaron liquid highlight in Earth AZ20. Pencil, brown pencil, color 3. I like color 3 because it's dark enough but it's not too dark. It's kind of brownish in a way. So this is like 150, 100 naira. Angled brush, your spoolie or mascara wand, right? And your shade of foundation. It's as easy as that. Just these 5 things to do my brows. Take my spoolie, brush my brows up. Fine girl. So I'm going to brush my brows up. Take my pencil, sharp, not too sharp. Then just follow from beneath the brow, from under the brow. Just be drawing light strokes till you reach the tail end. Then go to the top of the brow. Do the same thing, light strokes till you reach the end. Do you see that? Then with the same pencil, start filling it in, because it's not going to be dark. The first strokes that you do are not going to be dark. So now you have to fill it in just how you want it, really. I don't like mine to be too dark, but at least dark enough. So I'm using light strokes to fill to the beginning of my brow. Can y'all see? My brows are popping. They are popping. So now I'm going to just go up. Now upward strokes, just to follow the hair of my brows. And voila! My brows are done. So normally if I don't want to clean it up, I'll just leave my brows this way because they look mighty fine. But let's clean it up. If I'm not going anywhere and I just want to have brows on, this is what I'm going to put. Like, this is what I'm going to do. But don't they look cute? Yes, they look cute. So for the next one, we're going to repeat what we did here. Do it here. Brush up. So you see, the reason why you're brushing up is so you can see, you can align the hair into the direction you want it, right? Then you take your pencil. See, I didn't even sharpen it again. Same pencil. Baby, you're my yori so baby, doesn't matter how far you go. Yeah, love, baby. Yeah, so baby, more. Give me your heart, baby. So that's it. There you have it. Try to make brows as similar as possible. They are sisters, but they can't really look exactly the same, but just try to make them look like sisters, like they came from the same mother. Yes. So now the next thing I'm going to do is take my angled brow brush, and the concealer or highlight. This is your preferred concealer or highlight. This is the Zaron liquid concealer. Then I'm just going to take enough product to go throughout my brow, or that I'm going to use all through. Then my mirror. Now what I like to do is angled brush. If I'm on the, this is left, this is right, on the right hand side, angle the brush, yes, so that side, so that it will be easy for me to use it. So you don't use it like this, it's going to be hard, but like this. See, you're angling it to that direction. So take my product and in that direction, take your time. Put my brush to that direction. With this thing, you have to take your time. You're not rushing anywhere. Don't rush. When I'm at the front of my brows, I like to raise my brow up so that I can see beneath the brow. Then I drag this all down. Want to go over the brow, so I'll clean my brush with my wipes. Take my shade of foundation, FZ45. FZ45. Take with my angled brush, angle in the same direction of the brow where you're going to. We got nothing yet to lose. Okay, can feel like keep off like one more choose. For you, I'll sing the blues. Cause all I see is you. Oh baby, shake see your body take control. Shake see, show my way more capable. Shake see, just everything you do. Try to keep your, hand as steady as possible, else you have wogo brows. So this is how you measure your brows. Here. That's how you know that brow is done properly. You should stop here. You should start here. This is where you should start, and this angle is where you should stop. So you see, this brow is perfect. And there you have it, my perfect brows. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera, and I'll come back with the finished look. So this was a very simple brow tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. This is the finished look. Very simple and nice. Okay, it's not simple. This is very dramatic, but it's also very nice and very wearable. So I hope you guys like the look. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You're my yori yori yori.